start a skincare business with a high impact product? Well, my lip balm is not only gorgeous and nourishing, but it's also beginner friendly, and it's perfect for adding to your handmade skincare line. This is the same recipe I've used to sell thousands of lip balms, all different flavors and different types. And this lip balm is designed for dry skin, made with shea butter, avocado oil, and beeswax. No coconut oil here. So the ingredients are shea butter, which is super nourishing, avocado oil, packed with fatty acids and vitamins, castor oil that not only attracts moisture to the skin, but it's also one of the top ingredients used in making lip balms, and must have to make a more nourishing, lighting, easy to use application of a lip balm. Hempseed oil, now this one is optional, but it's also another nourishing ingredient and one you can add with this formula, or you can take it out, so it doesn't matter which one. And it doesn't affect, well, the reason I actually have some people that are sensitive to hemp seed, because it does come from the cannabis plant, but it has no THC in it. But they are sensitive to it. And so I have other ones that I label a little bit differently. And so I know the difference between, like this one's a raspberry, and see the labeling here is kind of plain. And then this here, and I'll share in part 2 of another video. And then I add beeswax, and that adds the hardness of the lip balm, and it makes it easier when you ship it, especially during the summer season. Now it still can melt in super, super hot temperatures, like in your pocket or if you leave it in the car. So you can adjust this formula too. Calendula extract, and I also add in chamomile extract. Now these are perfect ingredients to add to any lip balm because they're not only nourishing, but they really help to out dry skin, which is what I have. I have dry, sensitive skin. And mica. And mica is the other thing that other item you can add, and it is cosmetic grade. And I'll leave a link to all the ingredients down below. And I make lip balms with mica, and then I make lip balms without. When I first started making the lip balms, my lips were just so sensitive. I couldn't even take any lip balms at all. I couldn't wear any lipstick or anything like that. So I always use like the lavender tangerine, made with essential oils to help. And now I can actually wear mica on my lips with like the raspberry one right here. I can actually use that and wear lipstick. So it's taken a while, but it's definitely helped out. So you can adjust the hardness between the beeswax more. I usually add more during the summertime, and then I add less during the wintertime because I don't want to be so hard that you can't even put it on your lips. And I'll give you the fully tested version in my digital kit. This lip balm is one of the easiest products to make, especially when you're just starting out making handmade skincare products. And it's an easy item to add to any handmade skincare line, and one I would recommend to start out with first. So just so you're getting used to the measurements, using scale, the temperature, and clothing, and the safety guidelines that you want to use when making skincare products. This lip balm is one of the easiest products to start with. It's affordable, customizable, and it makes a great first product for markets or online. If you want to sell your skincare, start with a bestseller. In part 2, I'll show you how I package and label these lip balms so they're ready for retail or gifting. And if you want my exact recipe, label templates, and supplies list, check the link in the description below. And I'll see you in the next video in part 2. Thanks for joining me. Have a great rest of your day.